kill someone doing no. I got the girl. No.
Okay, check it out. Like,
listen up.
Ears. When you hear the alarm, the map will shrink.
To what?
We'll go from the tree line to...
Originally, so first thing is full map, right? And then the second one will go what? Inside town? Guys can't break the barrier of the road and valley?
So the house is in the car.
Yeah, on the second buzzer you hear, or the first buzzer you hear. And he'll announce it. Map is shrinking, and then you can't.
And then from there, it'll shrink to the front of this building and the front of that house.
Are those two buildings over there still in play at that point?
It'll be the front of those buildings. It'll be the front of those buildings, front
Okay.
of these buildings. And then after that, it'll probably be what, between the bus and the train?
Yeah.
5-minute intervals, or?
It's gonna be a quick
He'll be
game.
watching. Just make sure you remind us where we're at and what the boundaries are. I don't want to miss one or something.
We're trying to make it some quick games too, so it doesn't drag on.
That's why I was going to do 2-minute shrinking.
So when we start off, you give us 30 seconds, and then that's whatever, and then 2 minutes and the storm starts shrinking.
Yes.
Are you gonna give us like a warning?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And
And we
he'll,
got 2 minutes to
he'll
get
announce
inside.
it too. He'll
Okay.
say it. You know, it's shrinking. So when are we gonna jump? You gonna hit a buzzer and we're able to go and pick up our guns and start from there?
You're not gonna jump out like
All right.
a
Then when you get shot, we'll just put your gun
You got to
out
jump out like
You
a parachute. No, you
shot,
got to do
can
the
either
full
sit
tuck and
down
roll,
or
EJ.
set your gun down. But make sure.
I
that
can't do
you're
that. I'll
ready.
bounce.
All right.
You got to do a full tuck and roll, EJ.
I'll come out the back, scuba style. Like,
I'm pretty sure that's a great way to break your neck.
Do it again. Try it.
Do a dolphin dive.
Do a
flip.
He's doing
Do a
it.
flip.
He's doing it. Look at that. Yeah. Nice. All right.
Everybody on board?
everybody
Everybody
does something like that.
Yeah.
You ready?
Woo!
The map has shrunk. The map has shrunk.
Am I still good in here? Am I still good here? Woo! Woo! Game winner!